Hi friends, welcome to Anandi School. My name is Achita. Today I am going to discuss about multiplication of nines. That is, any number of nines multiplied with any number. I am super excited to discuss about this technique. Let us start the technique now. See, the title is multiplication with 9999 to so on in a quick way. Here there are majorly three cases will come. One is multiplicand digits equal to multiplier digits, and case 2 is multiplicand digits less than multiplier digits, and case 3 is multiplicand digits greater than multiplier digits. That means, see, for the first case, multiplicand digits, this is the multiplicand digits, and multiplier digits, this is the multiplier digits. In the first case, these two are equal. In the second case, multiplicand digits less than multiplier digits. That means right side the nines will be more when compared to left side. That means when compared to left side digits, right side digits will be more. In the third case, left side digits are more and right side digits are less. Let us look into the first case, how we will solve it in a quick way. Within 5 seconds we will solve this kind of thing. See, first what we are doing is 65 multiplied by 99. It will come under first case because both side is balanced. Multiplicand digits equal to multiplier digits. So in 65 I am subtracting 1. So that is 64. I am calculating the complement of 65. The complement of 65 is 35. We already discussed the complement video. That is, we combined discussed the base and complement concepts, which is available in my list of videos. You can go through it. But for this, I will explain you within a 1 minute. Complement how we will calculate is 1000 minus 65. That is, not 1000, sorry, 100 minus 65. We need to check the nearest base. The nearest base of any 2-digit number is 100. The nearest base of any 3-digit number is 1000. Likewise, for 65, the nearest base is 100. So 100 minus 65 is 35. So the answer is 64, 35. Hope this is clear. We'll see few examples for better understanding. See, 452 multiplied by 999. First time 452 minus 1, 451 I am writing. The complement of 452 is 548. How we are quickly calculating complement? This is a 3-digit number minus, so we are subtracting from 1000 minus 452. So the answer is 548. How we are subtracting quickly 1000 minus 452 is, for the last digit we are subtracting from 10. Before that, these digits we are subtracting from 9. See, 9 minus 4 is 5. 9 minus 5 is 4. 10 minus 2 is 8. This is the technique. For the last digit, we are subtracting from 10. For the previous digits, we are subtracting from 9. Quickly we will see another example for better understanding. See, here I am taking another example, 8866 multiplied by 4 nines. So first I am subtracting from 8866 minus 1, that is 8865. I am finding the complement for this 8866. So this is a 4-digit number. So I am subtracting from, or this is 4-digit, right? So I am subtracting from 10,000. No need to do like that. Simplest way is last digit subtracting from 10, previous digits we are subtracting from 9. That is the simplest way. See, 9 minus 8 is 1, 9 minus 8 is 1, and 9 minus 6 is 3, and 10 minus 6 is 4. This is the answer. We will see one more example for better understanding. Here I am considering 1, 2, 3, 4 multiplied by 4 nines. First I am subtracting 1, 2, 3, 4 minus 1. So 1, 2, 3, 3. I am finding complement for 1, 2, 3, 4. So 9 minus 1 is 8, 9 minus 2 is 7, 9 minus 3 is 6, and 10 minus 4 is 6. 1, 2, 3, 3, 8, 7, 6, 6. This is the answer. Now we go for a second case. Multiplicand digits less than multiplier digits. See here, I am considering 68 multiplied by 4 nines. First, here also same thing. 68 minus 1, 67. But here 2 digits are there. So, extra apart from 2 digits, how many nines are there? We are writing that one. Extra nines. This is 2-digit number. Apart from 2 digits, how many extra are there? 2 are there. So I am writing 2 nines here. Then same complement for 68, 32. The answer is 679932. So we will see another example for better understanding. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3 minus 1 is 122. Here 3 digits are there. So extra after 3 digits is 2 nines are there. So I am writing 2 nines. Then complement of 1, 2, 3 is 877. Why? Because the last digit we are subtracting from 10, and before the digits we are subtracting from 9. 9 minus 1 is 8, and 9 minus 2 is 7, and 10 minus 3 is 7. So the answer is 122999877. We will do 7 multiplied by 5 nines. See what we will do? Simply first, 7 minus 1 is 6, and extra nines is 4 are there. So I am writing 4. Complement of 7 is only one digit is 0. 10 minus 7, it is 3. This is the answer. 6, 4 nines, 3. Hope you are enjoying this technique. Because easy we are writing. This is the answer. The more we practice, the more fast we will get. Here, we are moving on to the third case, multiplicand digits greater than multiplier digits. Here it is, one step here we are adding, that we will see. First example I am considering 368 multiplied by 99. Okay. here what I am doing is I am separating the first digit and I am writing last digits multiplied by 99. The first digit alone I am adding 1. So I am getting 4. This 4 I am subtracting from this main number 368 minus 4, which is the answer is 364. Okay, I am complementing this for this number. So complement of 68 is 32. So I am writing 36432. We will see another example for better understanding. See here 455 is there. First digit plus 1. 4 plus 1, 5. 5 minus this whole number 455. So we got 450. Then the complement of these two last 2. The complement of these two. So 45. 45045 answer. So we will see another example. 7568 multiplied by 3 nines. So first digit plus 1. What is 7 plus 1 is 8. 7568 minus 8 is 7560. So 7560. Here 568. Okay. For 568, we are writing complement. 9 minus 5 is 4. And 9 minus 6 is 3. And 10 minus 8 is 2. This is the answer. Hope this technique is clear. If you like this video, please hit the like button and share to your friends and family. Please do subscribe to this channel for motivating me to make more videos. That's it for this video. Take care. Jai Hind.